All right, freezing temperatures, a few things you want to do. Limit your time outside, make sure your pets are good because these are dangerous conditions we're seeing, especially as we move into the morning hours as well.
Keeping those indoor faucets dripping slightly. If you have to be outside, dress in layers and avoid that outdoor travel on those roadways as it's icy. We stayed below freezing today, so our high temperature was in the upper 20s, and this was a record cold this morning. The previous record set back decades ago was 20 degrees. We hit 19 this morning. By the afternoon, 28 degrees in Austin. Our normal high is 63 for context, so it was a very cold, frigid Arctic air that was in place here in the Lone Star State. We saw a few flurries move through central Texas. A lot of this was in the hill country. Didn't create any sort of accumulation, but some saw those nice flakes, and up toward Dallas too, they saw a quick band of some snow, but this is where the winter storm is. So from Maine all the way down to the panhandle of Florida, more than 1,500 miles of precipitation. Potential record snow way up in the northeast in New England, getting a little bit of some ice on the higher elevations here down toward the Carolinas, and there was some severe weather in Georgia. So a powerful cross-country storm has been the name in the weather world this weekend. Our downtown Austin weather camera still has a layer of ice, which is creating that weird optic view, but you could trace out some of the buildings there on the horizon. Clouds and radar completely dry. We'll see those decreasing clouds as you work through the night, and still relatively breezy through your Monday. Monday, 5 a.m., still mostly clear, turning to abundant sunshine as you move through lunchtime tomorrow, with this extreme cold being the name of the game. Temps and wind chills as cold as 5 below, especially those wind chills for all of central Texas through the middle half of the day tomorrow. So when you step outside tomorrow morning, some single digits out toward Mason, teens through the I-35 corridor, and all of central Texas dealing with this near record cold. I expect several places to reach that record cold bright and early tomorrow. The same thing for Tuesday. So 16 on Tuesday, and by Wednesday, Thursday morning, I also expect additional freezes through pretty much most, if not all, of the work week. So here's the temperature trend through the night tonight. By Monday, 3, 4, 5 a.m., we got those teens around 14 potentially in Austin, 12 Cameron, Georgetown, warming up by the afternoon. The question is, will we finally get above freezing? Well, this computer model saying 31, and it's been trending colder. So earlier today, we had 37 for a high. I bumped it down to 34. I may have to get even colder, down to 32 with the way the data's coming in. Those wind gusts up to around 25 miles per hour through around lunchtime tomorrow, and then will subside. So that biting wind chill. So right now, it feels like the single digits for a lot of us. It's going to stay with that bitter, biting wind chill through the day tomorrow into the afternoon hours. So your 3-day forecast will eventually certainly climb out of freezing by Tuesday, Wednesday. A lot of sunshine and very minimal precipitation chance. Could see some sort of flakes build in with some rain. Really not a lot of confidence with this, y'all. It's trending more toward dry. It maybe even will consider a 10% rain chance now for Friday. So I have the scattered shower icon, so maybe some sun poking out with a night mix. But at least through the next few days, we have to focus on the cold, and then we'll get to slightly more seasonable temperatures by Thursday. We'll be right back.